Do you wonder why some foods leave you buzzing with energy, while others make you feel sluggish, bloated, or even trigger breakouts? What if your body already knows exactly what it needs, and all you need is a simple tool to unlock those answers? I'm Christopher, your Pendulum Guide, with over 20 years of helping people tap into their body's wisdom. Welcome to episode 3 of Life Hacks and Secrets, Pendulum Dowsing Guide for Food and Nutritional Harmony. Forget cookie-cutter diets or chasing the latest food trends. Your body is like a unique fingerprint. Different microbiome, different sensitivities, different needs. A pendulum functions like a direct line to your body's inner GPS, helping you discover what fuels your vitality and what's holding you back. Skeptical? Our Series 1 intro, Life Hacks and Secrets, your Pendulum Dowsing Guide, shows how quantum mechanics links dowsing to universal consciousness and is backed by scientists. Episodes 1 and 2 covered emotional and environmental stresses. Please check them out. Today, we're exploring how food, water, and air impact your well-being. Let's dive in. Nutrition isn't just about what's on your plate. It's about water, air, and even when you eat. Think of your body like a high-performance car. The wrong fuel, and it sputters. The right fuel, and it soars. Back in the 1950s or so, the French dowser, Bovis, developed a way to measure the energy of foods by attributing a measurement of quantity to its quality. He found that foods below a certain energy threshold, around 7,500 units on his scale, didn't do much for your body. Fast forward to today, with all industrial foods loaded with additives like MSG or aspartame, it's harder than ever to know what's truly good for you. A pendulum lets you ask your body directly, is this food helping or hurting? Should I eat it now? Is my water clean enough? Our free key food and nutrition sensitivity chart, linked below, covers food, water, air, and factors like excess, deficiency, or harmful additives. In episodes 1 and 2, we've uncovered emotional and environmental stresses. Now, let's find out if what you're eating is powering you up or quietly draining your energy. Curious? Let's see it in action. So, time to douse. Here's my pendulum and a key food and nutrition sensitivity chart covering food, water, air, 6 factors like excess or deficiency, and 12 common additives like MSG. The chart is for specific purposes. If, for example, you want to order from the menu of the local Chinese takeaway, is there anything here on the menu which does not agree with me? Or, in a more general context, you want to inquire about the current state of your digestive system. So, here's how it might work. Is something in my diet affecting my energy? It's a yes, so something's off. Is it food related? Indication of food. Yes, it's food. Which factor? The deficiency, okay? Is it protein deficiency? Yes, so protein's the issue. Was the Chinese takeaway I just ate a good choice for me right now? No. Interesting. Was there a harmful additive in the meal? It's indicating MSG. What's the impact on my energy? 50%. That's a big hit. Is it best for me to avoid MSG Yes. Okay. Got the message. See how easy that was? Just like in episodes 1 and 2. Keep asking questions to dig deeper. New to our Life Hacks and Secrets series? You're in Series 1, uncovering the hidden stresses across 8 episodes. Series 2 will show you how to fix them, so stay tuned. Ready to discover what stresses are currently affecting your body? Download our free Key Food and Nutrition Sensitivity Chart, covering food, water, air, and additives, via the link below. It's black and white for easy printing, so you can start dowsing today with a pendulum, or even a weighted string. Try it out. Share your aha moments in the comments, and let's connect over your discoveries. Don't miss episode 4, where we'll use the pendulum to uncover how your lifestyle shapes your health. Hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Your journey to vibrant energy starts now.